Hey guys, Timmy D with DroneMappingTools.com. I'm here in Vegas. I just left the Capitol Grill down here on the boulevard where I was with the Wispr guys, and they have released the new drone that'll be out in hopefully September of this year, and saw the new prototype for that, and it is going to be absolutely phenomenal. So anyway, look for a video coming out in the very near future that's going to highlight all of the details of that, and I'm going to go ahead and show you a few pictures and just the release photo, and so very exciting stuff. Stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of tutorial videos coming out. We've got one that'll be released in the next several days on mobile mapping. We're going to have LiDAR from start to finish. We're going to cover a lot of the new gear that we have available on DroneMappingTools.com. So hit that subscribe button. If the content we put out is helpful, give me a thumbs up. And again, just look for new stuff coming out on a regular basis. Until next time.